Good morning. We've got some low clouds again this morning, but no reports of fog. That's good. And dry conditions out there as well on our Storm Team Skycam network. That will be changing as we progress through the day. We're going to see more and more opportunities to have some snowflakes fly by that camera. Here's a look at our headlines this morning. Any area in blue here on the map, that's a winter weather advisory. We've got one county in our viewing area on the west here, Foster, and then west from there where we've got that advisory in effect, and then in the Southern Valley too. Now this takes effect at 1 this afternoon. That's because it's going to take a little bit of time for this snow to work its way in here this morning. So winter weather advisory again for places like Fergus Falls, Wahpeton, Breckenridge, down through Sisseton, and more places seeing some snow too in the valley. That's just where the National Weather Service has issued the advisory here today. Taking a look at your radar and satellite map, you can see that we've got some snow showers trying to work their way in initially out ahead of the main band that'll be approaching later. We've got a couple of snowflakes over by Jamestown, some flurries around Devil's Lake, basically on Highway 281 between Devil's Lake and Jamestown. The rest of us watching those clouds slowly work their way in, and you can see what's winding up to our south and west, some snow showers in South Dakota. That band of snow will be pushing gradually to the north as well. Looking at our visibility, good reports of visibility here. That's nice. And also temperatures are pretty comfortable in most areas. We're at 14 degrees in Langdon and in Devil's Lake. Obviously, you'll still need your coat, but not too bad for this time of day to be starting in the 20s in most parts of the valley. We're at 28 degrees in Fargo and 22 in Grand Forks. Wind is out of the north. We're looking at a lot of places reporting calm conditions, but in some spots we are getting some wind into the teens here this morning. Gradually, that wind will become easterly and then southeasterly as a system lifts northward today. So by noon, we're looking at places in our southwestern viewing area getting some ongoing snow at that point. Ellendale and Oaks, those areas. Now this continues to slowly advance to the northeast. By 4, we're seeing the Southern Valley underneath some snow showers and out west too. Notice our temperatures are high temperatures for the day, not very warm at all. Some upper 20s to some low 30s, and that is it for this Friday. And progressing through the evening, of course, right around drive time, we're looking at those snow showers in the Fargo area, down into Lakes Country. Up north, it might take a little while longer for it to get to you, but it will be heading your way here through the later night hours and into the overnight hours tonight. By 11 o'clock, we've got snow showers over much of the region, and then this continues overnight. So we get that buildup, that accumulation going overnight. And as we get into the later part of the, or morning tomorrow rather, we'll see most of those snow showers basically right along the Canadian border. Those of us in the south not being impacted as much. We're in that warmer part of this storm system. So actually our temperatures are going to be rising into the mid 30s today, maybe even upper 30s in some instances. And that means the accumulation that we get overnight will start to melt. It's going to get kind of slushy out there. Northern Valley, you're more likely to continue to accumulate snow and have it stick with temperatures near the freezing mark. But notice around 4 o'clock, we even see some green showing up here. There might be some moments of some light rain showers too in the Southern Valley while that snow is ongoing along the border there. This is 7 o'clock. You can see temperatures not very warm, but milder than today. We'll be into the low to upper 30s for tomorrow. It could end up being kind of a messy day for some areas, despite most of the activity winding down. And notice this, 11 o'clock tomorrow night, still seeing that shot potentially of some rain and some snow showers. Here's a look at our snowfall potential. This is just one model's take on it, but it gives you an idea of where we might see the snow. Initially, we see that snow move into the south. That puts us in that range of a few inches potentially. Up to the north, we're looking at maybe a little bit more than that as that snow is ongoing tonight and into the day tomorrow. And checking out your weekend, not the most pleasant one in the world. We've got, especially Saturday, that chance for some snow showers early. And then lingering into the day on Sunday, Monday as well. And next week, I'm hopeful we see some 40s on the 7-day planner once again, hoping to get some warmer air moving back into the valley, closer to what we get on average here in November. It's not been feeling like November.
No, thank you, Lisa. Hundreds of special items will be up for auction this weekend. We'll check them out next with the Valley Today's Christy Larson.